Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Danae. I'm back. What happened was I had broke my laptop, so I couldn't edit anything. But it's back. I have a new one. It's great, and I'm gonna just do this really quick get ready with me, because I've been like debating what I was going to come back with, you know, because it's been a minute. It's like a month. I'm getting ready to go to work. It's picture day at work, so gotta look fleeky, you know, for the staff badge, you know. So I'm just gonna do like a really natural makeup look like I always do every day of my life. So the foundation I'm gonna use today, just NARS, the Sheer Glow foundation in the color Macao. Now this color is a little bit dark on me. I'm just gonna use this all up and then I'll get another one because I'm not gonna waste it. And I'm not gonna prime because it's not that important to me. So I'm just gonna, you know, put this on my face and go for it. Yesterday I had volleyball. It's like time for that to start again. I think I struggle with like, I think everyone struggles with, I don't want to call it like perfectionism, but just feeling like I can't make any mistakes. Because I'm in so many positions of leadership, people look at me and think like, oh, she's got it, you know, and I don't always have it. I don't always know what I'm doing. There are times where I'm like, I'm learning. I'm learning like, in all of the positions and things that I do, each year I get better at them. It's not like I just woke up and was magically. This is NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Biscuit. It's not like I just woke up and was like the best coach or like the best boss ever. Like at literally every year I think I learned something new about the positions of leadership that I have and how to be better at it. But I think people sometimes look at me and think that I'm just supposed to know like everything and like not make any mistakes. And I'm very humble with my mistakes. I'm very humble in general. Like I'm never the kind of person that thinks I know it all. I've never been that way, and I don't act that way. Like if someone comes to me and says, Danae, I think you did this wrong, I'm like, really? Let me look at it. Okay, maybe I did. I'm sorry. But the devil was just like attacking me yesterday. I was at volleyball practice, and no, I haven't played competitive, and this is my first year, going a whole year without playing any competitive volleyball. When I say competitive, I mean like club college or something where I'm playing club or high school, where I've gone a year without playing, so I'm kind of like out of shape. I'm out of like volleyball shape. And it's weird for me because I've never been that way before, where I make errors and things that I just normally would not. So at practice, I like to play with my girl, made a mistake, and the devil just started attacking me. Like, see, you're not even good. How you out here coaching these girls and you can't even do X, Y, and Z? And I'm just like, but I can. I just made mistakes. I was seeing my athletes make errors, and like when I make an error, since my entire athletic career, when I make an error, I don't go, I'm like, it's cool. Like, it's cool. I got it. That's always been my mentality. Is like, oh, I'll get the next one. It's my bad. Like, it's cool, whatever. But I was seeing my girls just get so frustrated with themselves, and I'm like, I need to be an example for them and like let them know that mistakes happen. Even coach makes mistakes. Like when coach makes mistakes, she just fixes it and moves on with her life. And I need to be an example to them. Oh Lord. They make mistakes too, and they're looking at themselves like, oh, like I'm not good, and I don't want them to feel that way, and I shouldn't feel that way either. So I had to like really be intentional about making sure that I was like, oh, it's cool, you know, like you're good, don't say sorry, just fix it, whatever. It's just so easy when you're in a position of leadership. Yeah, like when you're in a position of leadership, I feel like it's so easy to like get down on yourself, and nobody knows that because you're supposed to have it together. The boss isn't supposed to make any mistakes, right? It's funny, my pastor was talking about this the other day, and that's what made me think about it, where he was gonna play kickball with his staff, but he didn't want to make any mistakes. So he, instead of playing, he just decided not to, because as a boss, you're supposed to be like good. You're supposed to like not, you know, you're supposed to be okay all the time, and bosses are not. Like I'm a whole human. I'm a whole person. Okay? I got a whole list of emotions going through me right now. Y'all don't even know about. So, I don't know, like nobody is, you know, incapable of not making mistakes or just of being perfect. Like no person's perfect. I had to tell myself that. I'm like, Danae, you're not perfect, girl. You think you're a perfect athlete? No, you're not. You're not. You make mistakes. You always have. That's not new. That's not new to you being a coach and a leader. You've always made mistakes, and it's a part of getting better. Also, when you're in a position of leadership, everybody thinks they can do your job better than you because they don't do it. So they're not in that position, so they think, oh, why would this person make that decision? If I was in that position, I wouldn't do that. Just like stupid things like that. And it's just important to recognize that, sure, and I say this all the time, like if I may have had maybe one issue with a parent where they were making comments like about my age and that I really didn't know what I was doing and things like that, and I was just like, look, I'm here to do the best job that I can do. That's not saying that I'm perfect, that's not saying that I'm the best in the world, but I'm in this position to do the best job that I can do. So I'm doing the best I can do. And if that's not good enough for you, I am so sorry I can't be greater. Not let those things get to you. I feel like my highlight never shows up on this camera. Is it me? Is it me or is it the highlight? Can y'all see it? Am I glowing? A little bit, maybe? Oh gosh. I recognize too how God prepared me for the positions I'm in. Like I couldn't have gotten them prematurely because I wouldn't have been ready. Because as soon as you get a position of leadership, people start challenging your authority. And I also had to recognize I'm in this position. You can't take this away from me. I'm here because I'm doing the best that I can do. Like I'm doing the very best that I can do. So people can question or feel some type of way about the decisions that are made by a leader. But at the end of the day, they're the leader. They're in charge. Getting ready to... Oh gosh. Every time I get my hair done, they're like, oh, where do you wear your part? And I'm like, I wear it literally in different places all the time. This mouth needs something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome back, Danae. She's back right on time for summer. She's got a new laptop. She's not going anywhere. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching my channel. If you have not already, please do subscribe. I don't know why you haven't already. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. You like my neon nails? They're so cute. I love them. I love them. They're China glaze. They're called construction cone, I think. Yeah. They're really cute. I love them too.